西藏的主人是西藏人民，西藏的主人是西藏人民。
他当然做，你呀，前边的很多你，这边前做了，你当然不能的，你在我前我前头就不前来下。Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet was never bottled. Tibet was never bottled. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China. What do you want? We want freedom. What do you want? We want freedom. What do you want? We want freedom. When do we want it? Now, now. When do we want it? Now, now. Human rights in Tibet. 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 What do we want? We want freedom. What do we want? We want freedom. What do we want? We want freedom. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet was never bottled. Tibet was never bottled. Tibet was never bottled. Stop you. Who's the mother? Who's the lawyer? Who's the lawyer? Who's the lawyer? United Nations! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop culture genocide! Stop culture genocide! Stop culture genocide! Stop killing! Who's the killer? Who's the killer? Who's the killer? Who's the killer? Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? Who's the liar? Who's the liar? Who's the liar?
We want freedom! We want
Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Let me name
We want freedom!
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 Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet was never part of 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 China, China, China China, China China, China Shame, shame 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 Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet was never part of 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 Let me run Let me run Let me run When do we run it? When do we run it? When do we run it? China, China, China China, China, China China, China, China
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Human rights in 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 Tibet! What do we want? We want freedom! What do we want? We want freedom! When do we want it? Now! When do we want it? Now! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? We want freedom! When do we want it? Now! Human rights in
custodians of the land and water we are on today, and I pay my respects to the elders of the First Nation, past, present, and emerging. We have gathered here today to commemorate the 66th anniversary of the Tibetan Uprising Day, which happened on the 10th of March 1959. Hundreds of thousands of Tibetans stood outside the Potala Palace defending the Dalai Lama from the Chinese Communist Party, as they were brutally massacred by hundreds of thousands of bullets from machine guns. We stand here today because we want to honor those people. We want to make their sacrifices not be in vain. So we, the Tibetans, are here to protest and to show the world that we are here. Now, for our first speech of the day, I'd like to invite Mr. Chodak La, the Secretary of Tibetan Community of Victoria, who will be talking to everyone in Tibetan. So everyone, please welcome Mr. Chodak.
이공 제보다 접수그래 안트림 권다 들려야 당한서 순주들이 팀 죽주를 죽대 당한서 그의 세계명이야 그의 사회적 상황이야 다 섬교고와 뒤주지래 다 그런 디모델이야 모두 상황에 생각 챔버지래 안 그런 들려야 피베 세계명이야 우주래야 프리지딩 속에 귤레당 상업권의 사주제 토시나 쉬어당 아미세게 드린 남조 쇼고에 피길라 게다 점배체 안디게 제고디게 초여다 될에게 루다야다 숨주 첼루다 미마왕로디게 땅모고체 믹세게 탄데 딜이야 벤조 딜이야다 게지 미마리야 원주게 탑다디 친구들다 아니 인지토네다 게인토네 망체 정도 쉬기제 앞으로게도 시다시야 매워체 다른 쇼고에 피게 쉬서 쉬어이 아 트링기 믹세게 트링이 딜이야다 다른 쇼고에 제고딜이야 프리지든서고다 아니 ADC 냠들이야 먼저 피길이야 게다 좀 비체 피길라 소리 드링기 니게 벤전 중기 제고 딜이야 암믹세게 겐킹이 드링 겐킹이 되가 부든시도블랭가 슌지 당화가 딜이야 웨트게다 논제기 쯔베 아니 초랍다 나고건달이야 알레가시 망고도 디게 상황다 슌지랑게 겐쿠제 드링 딜이야 랭고도 고주구레 드링 딜이야 겐킹이 돼 세상 먼저 슌지기 다름제기 랭고 차도고시다 야고지 고치기 유강하라 정말이야 승나냐 보아기고시다 라양 안조다 슌지 정말이야 디나리야 로고체제 마음과 딜레 차도고시다 야가 중요하게 모두 상례 그라와치고 유스 주야이 아니 대대질이야 인지 당시에다 계획통에 당시에 시우들게 비교되는 망고 주야미 나보고 정말이야 대표가 토치하나 주야이 아니 안조 상마 생조 총관에야 드링기 이모들이야 안조 계산 통관에 아니 Now, next is a dear friend of mine and a great person named Tenzin Norzen, who is the national coordinator for the VTAG group, or the Voluntary Tibetan Advocacy Group, who will be coming here to read a statement from VTAG for the 66th Tibetan Uprising Day. So, everyone, please welcome my dear friend Tenzin Norzen.
Hello. Today, as we mark the 66th anniversary of the Tibetan National Uprising Day, we reflect on the profound courage, unwavering resilience, and unbreakable spirit of the Tibetan people. On March 10, 1959, Tibetans across all three provinces rose in unity against the illegal occupation of Tibet and the brutal repression of their culture, religion, and basic human rights. This day is a solemn reminder of the sacrifices made by our brave ancestors and the continued struggles of Tibetans today who endure immense suffering under the Chinese government's ongoing policies of oppression and control. Tibetan culture, language, and identity are intricately linked to Buddhism, a cornerstone of Tibetan life. However, since the Chinese military invasion of the land in the 1950s, Tibetans have been subjected to an unrelenting campaign to suppress their religious freedoms. The Chinese government has systematically attacked Tibetan Buddhist traditions, attempting to undermine the spiritual essence of Tibetan life by imposing severe
안에 공기 제야요 뭐야? 나서는 야마니. 나머지 thank you. 안녕 상관이야. 도시에는 안녕 자위.
물러버리네, 정말로 물러버리네. 물러버리네. 저기에 덤불라고, 요즘 파지, 영어 시대시대 지원하는 원주